If your Galaxy Watch 8 won't pair after an update, you can try these basic resets and toggles. First is to turn the Bluetooth off and on again on your phone and watch. Reboot both your phone and your Galaxy Watch 8 and ensure that both your phone's OS and the wearable app have the latest updates. Now, these are the best fixes. Go to your phone settings and then find the apps. Head to Galaxy Wearable and then click the Clear Cache button or the Clear Data. This will reset the whole application and not the watch. In the same app settings, you can ensure that nearby devices, Bluetooth location, and storage permissions are all enabled. Uninstall the Galaxy Wearable app and then restart your phone and reinstall it from the Play Store. And for advanced steps on how you can fix it, you can do manual Bluetooth unpair and then repair. How to do it? Go to phone settings, head to connection, find the Bluetooth, and find your watch. And then tap the unpair button and then pair the device again to your phone. And that's how you can fix the won't pair after update problem on Galaxy Watch 8. And thank you for listening.